My name is Dylan Howell, Associate Professor of Instrumentation Technology at the Lone Star College-Kingwood Process Technology Center. Today, we're going to go over the best safety practices when working around the process training unit on campus. What is the PTU? The PTU, also called the pilot plant or the unit, is a mock-up of an industrial process made miniature for educational purposes only. The PTU is designed to replicate an industrial environment in the most realistic manner possible. Despite being a training environment, the PTU is still a dangerous place with unique hazards. General safety rules are as follows. You are the person most responsible for your safety. Anyone can shut down a job due to safety concerns. You are required to shut down any unsafe job. Anyone entering the PTU must have completed this safety qualification. Report all accidents. If you see something, say something. Never be the highest ranked person with a secret. Physical safety. The PTU has parts that are made of steel which can cause injury should a person collide with them. The PTU has parts that are made of concrete which can cause injury should a person collide with them. The PTU has inherent trip hazards that must be observed. PTU chemical safety. Water. It provides a slip hazard and a possibility of electrical shock. Steam provides potential for severe burns. Propylene glycol. Not to be confused with ethylene glycol, propylene glycol is generally recognized as safe. It is an additive for foods and medications. Natural gas. Natural gas is a common combustible gas which is used to feed the boiler. In the PTU, natural gas is transported in easily damaged aluminum tubes because natural gas is a common hazard. Foul-smelling mercaptan is added for easy detection by personnel. Environmental safety. Heat is a common environmental hazard in this area. Be aware of the physical condition of yourself and those around you. Hydrate, sit, or take breaks as needed. Be sure to let those around you know of any ill effects you are feeling. Bloodborne pathogens. Should an accident or medical emergency occur, do not attempt to clean up your own bodily fluids or those of others. Wildlife. We are located next to a nature preserve. Most of nature wants to fight you. Students should avoid nature as much as possible. Birds may try to nest in the PTU. Nesting birds may attack you. Wasps enjoy nesting in industrial environments. Wasps will attack you. Spiders are often found in industrial environments. Spiders will attack you. General electrical safety. The highest voltage in the PTU is 480 volts AC, which is considered the most dangerous voltage to personnel in industry today. Follow all posted electrical safety information in the PTU, observing proper PPE and behavior for the voltage and arc flash potential that is listed. In the absence of voltage or arc flash hazard information, all circuits must be considered to be hazardous as possible for the unit. All circuits are to be considered live until proven otherwise. Do not open any electrical enclosures unless the interior voltage is known to be safe or properly trained personnel are in the proper PPE for that hazard. Obey signage indicating flash hazard boundaries, limited approach boundaries, and restricted boundaries. Do no electrical work without the direct supervision of an instructor. When activating switches, ensure that you stand to the side using your non-dominant hand and look away. Boiler safety. There have been over 100 boiler explosions and fires in the last decade. A boiler is a pressure vessel and has all the safety hazards associated with one. Two of the most common causes of injury from a boiler are maintenance and startup reignition. Compressed air safety. Filings, chips, shavings, particles of metal, etc. can be thrown when compressed air is used for cleaning purposes. The pressure necessary to remove the particles from machines and surfaces is also strong enough to blow them into the eyes, ears, or skin of people that are nearby. Compressed air can enter the body where the skin is not present and can cause the affected part to swell to alarming proportions and be accompanied by severe pain. Even pressures as low as 5 to 10 pounds per square inch can cause serious injury. Ladder safety. All ladders in the PTU have the required cage attachment to avoid the 100% tie-off requirement. All platforms in the PTU have the required railing to avoid the 100% tie-off requirement. Any elevated work outside of these ladders and platforms will require further training, a recent inspected harness, and a 100% tie-off. Never lean over the railings or climb any part of the PTU that would raise you above the platforms. Emergency eye wash and shower. Always be aware of the nearest emergency eye wash and shower station. The first few seconds after exposure to a hazardous chemical are critical. Delaying treatment even for a few seconds may result in irreparable eye damage. Don't rub. Rubbing skin can drive chemicals deeper or further damage the tissue. Flush eyes and/or skin for at least 15 minutes. Or until emergency medical assistance arrives. Emergency plan. In the event of an emergency, calmly exit the PTU through the nearest exit. Call away for help to either the on-campus emergency number 5911 or simply calling 911 from any phone. Report to your instructor at the muster point that is a safe distance from the PTU to be counted on. Do not leave until released by your instructor. Required PPE. Everyone entering the PTU must wear a hard hat that prominently displays a current safety qualification sticker. Everyone entering the PTU must have hearing protection on their person. Everyone entering the PTU must wear a long-sleeve shirt and long pants. Everyone entering the PTU must wear closed-toed shoes. Everyone entering the PTU must wear eye protection. Good housekeeping. Report and clean up spills and leaks. Keep walkways and exits clear of items at all times. Use drip pans and guards as needed. Police your area for trash. Store quick-burning, flammable materials in designated locations away from ignition sources. All workers, regardless of age, have 5 to 7 times the risk of injury in the first month on the new job site. If you have multiple semesters of safety stickers on your hard hat, keep an eye out for someone with their first. Share your safety knowledge and always be ready to accept guidance from others. Removal from the PTU. Failure to properly wear PPE will result in immediate removal from the PTU. Failure to act in a safe and professional manner at all times will result in immediate removal from the PTU. Readmittance to the PTU is entirely at the instructor's discretion and may require that this safety qualification be repeated. Display of your safety sticker. Your safety sticker is unique and only good for this semester. The sticker must be displayed on the outside of the helmet. The sticker must not be obstructed from easy view of others. The sticker must be a minimum of a ½ inch away from the edge of the hard hat and not cover any damage that may exist. Hard hats must be able to be visually inspected for damage from the inside of the hard hat.